Even the very best housewife can have her kitchen sink clogged, which can be easily cleaned with ordinary soda or a plunger. But it seems that this time, the minor equipment is not good enough. You have to unscrew the pipe under the sink and remove the block by hand. What is the sticky gel that clogs the pipe? It is just congealed grease that accumulated in there from the constant drain of oil after frying some food. Now, count how many bottles of vegetable oil you spend a month and multiply this number by the number of the residents in the city. All this oil goes into the sewage system. Apparently, the problem of greasy waste has long got a catastrophic scale. Vegetable oils are extracted from seeds or fruits of oil seeds such as sunflower, corn, pumpkin, soya, rape, flax, olives, nuts, or palm trees. On the store shelf, you can see the oils for different needs, depending on what you are going to cook. Vegetable oils contain many useful substances, vitamins, and fatty acids, which have a positive effect on the immune system and the human body. The nutritional properties of the products are actively used to create cosmetic creams for skin moisturization. In ancient Egypt, the priestess took whole baths of olive oil as a rejuvenating means, not even assuming that soap would be made of it. In the 15th century, painter Jan van Eyck diluted a pigmental powder of lazuli with flaxseed oil and invented oil paint. It easily lay on the canvas and did not wash away from time, thanks to which, after centuries, we can see the paintings by great artists. But the most important industry where vegetable oil is used is cookery. Today, the industrial production of a bottle of sunflower oil takes 2.5 kilos of seeds. The collected raw material passes through a vibro sieve from contaminants. Then the seeds in husk are crushed in special machines, where a stream of air is fed to blow out a light husk. After the huge grinder, the press squeezes oil out of the seeds, which is called the method of hot pressing. This process allows you to extract more oil from the seeds, revealing its aroma and giving viscosity. The last step is filtration, when the product is cleared of superfluous impurities with the help of clay powder. And now, refined oil for frying is ready. The food, fried in a large amount of boiling oil, gets an appetizing golden crust and juicy pulp inside. Crispy fries, donuts, chebureks, and many other tasty deep-fried dishes are available in all fast food restaurants. But do we ever think where the oil goes when the fragrant donuts are eaten up? After frying, we pour the used oil into the sewer, where it gets into cold water and congeals in solid grease. Over time, the grease stays on the walls of the pipes, turning into a jelly-like substance that grips garbage and breeds bacteria. It causes an unpleasant smell and the risk of the invasion of cockroaches or rodents. In 2014, a 130-ton lump of solidified grease was found in the London sewage system, whose removal took 2 months of work. Such fossilized, bacteria-infested grease masses go into the ocean through the gutters and over time end up scattered along the coast, posing a danger to humans and animals. Fast food restaurants drain 7 million liters of grease annually, which is enough to make a lake. Through sewers, the grease enters the rivers and ponds, forming a thin film on the surface of the water. It kills fish and marine animals. The world community has decided to put a definite full stop on the issue of water purification from fats and processing of used oil by taking some measures. Today, most countries at the legislative level oblige restaurants and cafes to install grease traps that prevent oils from getting into the sewers. The collected fat can be used for recycling, for example, in animal feeds. Some fast food restaurants have started processing waste vegetable oil left after frying potatoes in biodiesel fuel. The low-cost, lack of carcinogenic substances and sulfur, lower emissions of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere are the benefits of a new energy resource. Before you send another portion of hot grease from the pan to the sewer, think of the ways to reuse it at home or drain it in a jar instead of the sink. An important task for humanity is to learn how to dispose of vegetable oils properly rather than stop using them. After all, if we do not begin to solve the problem on the personal and national levels, over time, we risk being buried alive under a layer of grease.